In primetime news this evening, a dent in the illegal gun trade. Police recovered dozens of guns in Kingston.
2 men linked to brazen supermarket robbery cut down hours later by the police.
And regional stakeholders concerned U.S. policy change could have devastating impact on the Caribbean. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're live on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Anthony Lug.
And I'm Janella Precious. A special welcome also to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. Now, coming up in the business news, the sale of shares in Jamaican Highway closed.
And Bernardo Brown is here with a preview of what's to come in sports.
Well, Anthony, was there a bidding process for the resurfacing of the National Stadium or not? One manufacturer says no. And we continue our champs build-up as we look at the Class 1 boys at sprint races. You can't afford to miss Primetime Sports Wednesday.
There's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
This evening, we're asking, what changes would you make to the format of the budget debate?
You can share your comments online at facebook.com/television Jamaica and on X at TVJ News Center.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.